Good morning, students. Welcome back to the English class for grade 8. Today we'll learn the new chapter, the second chapter under prose section named The Boy Who Sold Wisdom. Children, we have completed the first unit in the last class. So, let me first read out the pre-reading task and understand it. And later we'll start with the lesson. So I will read and then explain it to you. So let's start the pre-reading task. King Akbar received a letter from a neighboring king asking for a potful of wisdom. He, in turn, consulted his clever jester Birbal. So children, here King Akbar, already you know his name, very famous emperor, Mughal emperor in the history. He had received a letter, he had got a letter from a neighboring king, means from a king of the nearby state, asking for a potful of wisdom. He was in that letter, he asked for a potful of wisdom. Wisdom means knowledge, experience, having a good judgment is called wisdom. So he asked for a potful of wisdom. He in turn consulted his clever jester Birbal. So King Akbar consulted, that means he put forth this issue in front of his clever jester. Clever means very intelligent, jester means comedian Birbal. Birbal, as you know, in history, he is also a very famous, full of humor, a very intelligent person. He was a minister under King Akbar, and King Akbar put this issue in front of Birbal. Next, Birbal requested the king to give him some time to give a potful of wisdom. The king agreed, so Birbal grew a pumpkin in a pot and gave it to the king. The king, in turn, sent it across to the neighboring king with a note. The wisdom should be removed without damaging the pot or the wisdom in it. If you damage either of them, you should be ready for a battle. The neighboring king was surprised to see the potful of wisdom. He realized his mistake and fell at the emperor's feet. He begged the emperor to forgive him. So children, let me explain the second para, that is Birbal requested the king to give him some time. So this time Birbal said, I need some time to give a potful of wisdom. And Akbar also agreed. So what Birbal did, he grew a pumpkin inside a pot, and as it grew, it became fully grown. He gave it back to the king Akbar, and he said to the king that you can send this to the neighboring king who asked for a potful of wisdom, but with a note. In that note, it was written that the wisdom should be removed without damaging the pot. Children, can we remove a fully grown pumpkin out of a pot? Is it possible? No. Very good. So, it is not possible to even take out or give or hand over any wisdom to any person. So, in this case, Birbal said, you write this note that if any damage happens to the pot while taking this wisdom, then they should be get ready for a battle, for a fight. Now, the neighboring king got surprised to see this potful of wisdom, and he realized his mistake. Realized means he became aware of his mistake, and he fell at the emperor's feet. He asked for forgiveness from Emperor Akbar. Why, children? Because it is not possible to take out wisdom or a fully grown pumpkin out of the pot. So what is the moral of this story? We got to know that we should never insult anyone, because in case it reverts back to you, you have to bear a great loss. Done, children? So let's answer these questions. What was the demand of the neighboring king? How did Birbal get a potful of wisdom? What is the meaning of a potful of wisdom? So let me answer the first question. What does the neighboring king demanded? The neighboring king asked Akbar to send him a pot full of wisdom. The second question answer. What he grow? Birbal grew a pumpkin in a pot and gave it to Akbar. Third question answer. Let me tell you. Wisdom is not a thing. It cannot be measured. The neighboring king wanted to insult King Akbar. Birbal grew a pumpkin in a pot and it was sent to the neighboring king with a note that he should remove the wisdom without damaging the pot or the wisdom in it. As it was not possible, the neighboring king begged Akbar to forgive him. Done, children? Wish you understand. Very good.